If the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms, then find the sum of first p plus q terms here. Okay. Therefore, here they given a sum of the first p term here means SP is equal to sum of first q terms here SQ. SP means sum of first p terms and SQ means sum of first q terms here. They are equal here. They are given here. Therefore, formula according to formula SP is p divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus p minus 1 into df, that is equal to, and SQ is a sum of first q terms here, q divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into df. Okay. Then this denominator 2 and this denominator 2 get cancels here. 2 and 2 get cancels. Next take the term left side here. So p into 2a plus p minus 1 into df minus of q into bracket 2a plus q minus 1 into df. Take a p inside the bracket here and a minus q inside the bracket. So p into 2a, 2a into p plus then a p into p minus 1 into df minus of q into 2a, 2a into q here minus into plus become minus of q into bracket q minus 1 into df, and this is equal to 0 because you are taking the term left side here, so this becomes a 0. Then here 2a into p minus 2a into q here. From these two terms 2a common factor here, so write 2a outside here, in bracket write here p minus q here. Then from this term and this term d common factor, so write here plus in bracket p into p minus 1 minus of q into q minus 1 here, q into bracket q minus 1 bracket complete here into d, that is equal to 0 here. Therefore 2a into p minus q, then plus here p into p becomes a p square, so write here p square, p into 1 is a p minus of p minus of q into q becomes a q square minus into minus plus q here into d, that is equal to 0. Therefore write here 2a into p minus of q here, then plus p square minus q square, right in the bracket here, p square minus q square, right in the bracket, and from these two terms here minus is the common factor, minus common here, p minus q, p minus q into df, that is equal to 0. Okay, p square minus q square, right in the one bracket here. From these two terms minus common factor, if we take minus common, minus p become plus p, plus q becomes minus q. Therefore 2a into p minus q, then plus p square minus q square is p plus q into p minus q. Yes, p plus q into p minus q. Standard result here, minus of p minus q, p minus q into d, that is equal to 0. P square minus q square can be written as p plus q into p minus q. From this bracket here, from complete this bracket, p minus q is the common factor here, so right outside. So 2a into p minus q here, p minus q, and from this bracket p minus q common factor here, so p minus q into bracket p plus q here, so right here p plus q, then remaining here minus 1, minus of 1 into df, that is equal to 0. Here we are taking a p minus q common factor here. P minus q keep outside. In bracket p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Then here p minus q, even here also p minus q. Take a common factor here. So p minus q is the common factor. Okay, so p minus q is the common factor. Then in bracket you write here 2a. So write here 2a plus p plus q minus 1. P plus q minus 1 into d, that is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay, now taking a p minus q common here. In bracket write here 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d equal to 0. But p minus q cannot be 0. But p minus q cannot be 0 because p represents the number of terms, first p terms of a APR, and q represents q terms in APR. P represents p terms in AP, q represents q terms in AP, and p minus q cannot be 0 because p and q are different here. P and q are different, so p minus q cannot be 0. If this is not equal to 0, then compulsory this must be 0. Hence 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d must be 0. Okay, because here product of these two is 0. If a product of these two is 0 means either this is 0 or this is 0. But this cannot be 0. If this is not equal to 0, then compulsory this equal to what here? 0. Here we want sum of first PQ terms here. Therefore, S of P plus Q. S of P plus Q is equal to P plus Q divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus P plus Q minus 1 into dr. Okay, because you know the formula. Sn is equal to what here? N upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into dr. So this is the formula. According to this formula, here n means p plus q, sum of first p plus q terms here. S of p plus q is equal to, just replace n by p plus q in RHS here. P plus q by 2 into 2a plus p plus q. Just replace n by p plus q minus 1 into dr. But from this result here, take this one as equation number 1 here. From this result, complete this equal to what here? 0. So this becomes a 0. Therefore, S of P plus Q is equal to P plus Q divided by 2 into 0. Complete this becomes 0 from 1 here. From 1. So 0 into any term is what here? 0. Therefore, sum of first PQ term is 0. 0 is the answer. Sum of first PQ term is 0. Okay. Here they given sum of first P, Q and R terms of an APR, A, B and C respectively. Then prove that A upon P into Q minus R plus B upon Q into R minus P plus C divided by R into P minus Q is equal to 0. Okay. So in this case, SP. Okay, solution here. Given that SP sum of first term is A. They given here. Sum of first P term is A. Sum of first Q terms here is equal to B. Sum of first Q term is B. And sum of first R terms of an AP is C. They are already given here. Okay. Therefore, here they given A upon P. Here S of P means A divided by 2A N of P upon 2 here. So because P upon 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into dr that is equal to A. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference here. Then take a P this side here. Therefore 1 upon 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A divided by P. Just take P this side here. Cross multiply. We get a first result here. Similarly, S of Q here, Q divided by 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to this B here, is equal to B. Okay, SQ is there. SQ means sum of first Q terms of an AB. So Q upon 2 into 2A plus Q minus 1 here, Q minus 1 into D here. Take a Q right side here. Therefore 1 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B divided by Q, B upon Q. And yes, R, sum of first R terms here. Yes, R divided by 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D here. That is equal to C. Is equal to C. Take this R right hand side here. 1 upon 2 here into 2A plus R minus 1 into D here. That is equal to C divided by R here. Just take R right hand side here. 1 upon 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C upon R. Okay. Then take this left side terms here. First write left hand side term and prove RHS as 0. Okay, now left side terms are A upon P into Q minus R. Then plus B divided by Q into R minus P here. Then plus C divided by R into P minus Q here. You are taking a left side terms here. Write all the left side terms here. Then this is equal to. Here A upon P is the from first result here. A upon P. So this is the first result and it is the second one here. And I take this one as a third result here. Okay. From first A upon P. A upon P is this here. So just replace here. 1 upon 2 into 2A plus P minus 1 into D here. Into D. This is A upon P here. Then into Q minus R, write as it is. Q minus R plus here. So plus sign. B upon Q. So B upon Q is this here. So write here 1 upon 2 into this 2A plus Q minus 1 into D here. Bracket complete into R minus P. R minus P plus here. Next C upon R. So this is C upon R here. C upon R is this here. Okay. So 1 upon 2 into 2A plus R minus 1 into D here. Bracket complete here. Into P minus Q. Into P minus Q here. Okay. So from 1, 2 and 3 here. So from 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to here 1 upon 2. Here 1 upon 2. Even here also 1 upon 2 here. So 1 upon 2 is a common factor here. So right outside here. 1 upon 2 is the common factor. Into bracket. Take a Q minus R inside here. 2A into Q minus R. 2A into Q minus R. Then plus this into this here. P minus 1 into Q minus R into this D here. Into D. Okay, take this q minus r inside means multiply this with this term as well as multiply this with this term here. You get this here. Then the plus. So 1 upon 2 already common factor written in the outside here. Okay. Then 2a into r minus p. 2a into r minus p plus this into this here. Q minus 1 into r minus p into dr. Okay, 2a into this term, then plus this into this term here. Then plus here. Again 1 upon 2 written outside here. 1 upon 2 here, common factor. 2a into p minus q. 2a into p minus q plus r minus 1 into p minus q here. Okay. So r minus 1 into p minus q into dr. So bracket complete here. Bracket complete. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 2 here. From this term here, this term and this term, 2a common factor here. So 2a keep outside here, common factor. Then write q minus r. Then plus r minus p. Then plus here. Then p minus q. Right in the bracket here. Okay. Then here term d, here d and d, common factor here. So write here plus p minus 1 into q minus r. P minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p. Q minus 1, which is q minus 1 into r minus p here. Then plus r minus 1 into p minus q. R minus 1 into p minus q. Write all the terms in the bracket here. And write outside d here. It is a common factor here. Okay. From this term here. From this term and this term d common factor. Keep d outside here. Therefore write here p minus 1 into q minus r. Then plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q. Okay, bracket complete here. Then here plus q and minus q cancels here. Minus r and plus r cancels. Minus p and plus p cancels here. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 2a. All the term get cancels here. Remaining is 0 here. Then plus. Here multiply the terms here. P into q becomes a pq. P into r minus of pr. Minus 1 into q becomes a minus of q. Minus 1 into minus r plus r here. Okay. Then a plus q into r, qr. Q into minus p minus of pq. Minus 1 into r minus of r here. Minus 1 into minus p becomes a plus p. Then a plus r into p becomes a pr. R into q minus of qr. Minus 1 into p is a minus of p. Minus 1 into minus q becomes a plus q into d. Into d. Okay. Then a plus pq minus pq cancels here. Plus pq minus pq cancels. Then a minus pr plus pr cancels here. Both get cancels. Then a plus qr minus qr cancels here. Okay. Then a minus q plus q cancels. Then a plus r minus of r cancels here. Then a minus p and plus p cancels here. All term get cancels. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 2 into 0 into 2a becomes a 0. Then plus here all the term get cancels here. So write here 0 into dr into dp. Therefore, 1 upon 2 into what here? 0. Complete this term becomes 0 here. 1 upon 2 into 0 is a 0. So right hand side 0 is there. So LHS equal to RHS.